everyone, welcome to Elect World channel. Here's Zoe. And last time we bring iPhone 12 teardown video for you guys. So today we will bring iPhone 12 Pro teardown video for you guys. Well, let's get started. Let's take a look of iPhone 12 Pro box. This is a brand new iPhone 12 Pro box and with iPhone 12 Pro inside. So we will compare this one with iPhone 11 Pro box. So we can see that the box of iPhone 12 Pro is much thinner than iPhone 11 Pro. So let's see what's inside the iPhone 12 Pro make it so much thinner than iPhone 11 Pro. Let's peel off Protect film of phone box. This is classical design of iPhone package and open the box. Then we see the beautiful Pacific blue behind it. It's Type-C to Lightning cable. An instruction paper, SIM card ejector lays in it. Okay, let's tear down the iPhone 12 Pro and see the component part of it. Well, iPhone 12 Pro Teardown has complete. So now let's see the similarity and differences between iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. We summarize 4 similarities of iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. The first one is they all come back to flat side design. And let's see the screen. The new iPhone 12 series use ceramic shoot screen, and this one is increased the job performance for 4 times than the older iPhone screen. And for the mainboard, they all use L-shaped design. And for the battery, they are back to flat side design. For back housing part, iPhone 12 use aluminum alloy and mirror glass. And iPhone 12 Pro use stainless steel and matte glass. And there is one thing is that iPhone 12 have no LiDAR and telephoto, but iPhone 12 Pro have LiDAR and telephoto. Well guys, that's all for today's teardown video, and thanks for watching. Next time we will bring the text video of the parts compatibility between iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Also, we will also release iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max teardown video soon. Please stay tuned.